Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2012 GMC Sierra half-ton SLT equipped with the Z71 off-road package. Under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 315 horsepower and 335 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are fender flares and aftermarket 18-inch fuel wheels, as well as heated power folding mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a color-matched canopy as well as a trailer hitch receiver. This Sierra has a towing capacity up to 7,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, our automatic headlight controls as well as our automatic four-wheel drive controls, and a Bose audio sound system. This Sierra is also equipped with heated power adjustable leather seats and WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel we have our cruise control buttons as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is SiriusXM satellite radio and dual zone climate controls. On the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. And in the back of the vehicle we have a 60-40 split folding rear bench seat.